Engine maintenance mainly involves replacing the three filters: the oil filter, diesel filter, and the air filter. You'll also need to replace engine oil and coolant. For the oil filter, first, locate the oil filter, attach the filter wrench, adjust the wrench size, then turn it counterclockwise to remove. Install the new filter by tightening clockwise. The diesel filter is replaced similarly to the oil filter. Use the filter wrench to remove and replace it. The air filter housing is located here. Remove the cover, then take out the old air filter, install the new filter, and replace the cover. When replacing, note there are two filters: a safety filter and main filter. The air filter has two types: a safety filter and primary filter. Install new filters in the same configuration. Yes. To change engine oil, remove the oil pan drain plug. Drain the old oil completely, then refill with fresh oil. Use the oil fill port to add new oil. Recommended grade is CF15W840 oil. Fill until oil level reaches between the dipstick marks, preferably at the upper 2/3 section. The coolant reservoir is located here. This is the coolant fill port. When replacing coolant, open the radiator drain valve at the bottom and drain all old coolant. Also open the engine block drain valve. It's located here. Open both drain valves completely. Ensure all old coolant is drained out. Close all drain valves tightly, then refill through the radiator fill port with fresh coolant mixture. According to manufacturer specifications, add new coolant to the engine.